in this video I want to show you how to lower the back seats, okay, how to fold them in your BMW 5 Series. So what you need to do is to actually open the trunk. You cannot do it from the inside like so many cars have, like Audi has a small latch over here. So go inside the driver side over here and you're gonna press this button. Okay, this will unlock the trunk, it will make it pop. So let's go in the back now. Once you're over here, you're gonna notice there's two levers on the upper section. You may have to duck a bit, and you're gonna have this one. Okay, pull it, it will unlock this side, and then you have the other lever. Pull it, and now the rear seats are unlocked. If you're tall enough, or maybe with some help, you'll be able to push them. You see, I can push them so they close flat. Otherwise, you simply have to go back inside and lower them from here. Same thing over here. Since they are unlocked, you'll be able to do so, and now you have a great amount of space to put stuff. Once you're done, simply bring them back and they will lock in place. Next time you need them, you have to go in the trunk. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.